Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava Mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava Mobile guys date and time full setting, how to set up, how to change phone date and time in Lava Mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Lava Mobile phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava Mobile. So friends, in your Lava Mobile, friends, click here system setting. After on system setting, friends, you want to change phone language in your Lava Mobile. So friends, add language, which language you want to use, and you can change language in your Lava Mobile. So friends, click here date and time setting. Friends, you want to set date, you want to set time. So friends, first of all, off your set time automatic setting. After offense, you want to set time, you want to set date, select. So friends, I will select 4 p.m. 4 p.m. friends, you want to select. So friends, select your 4 p.m. setting, and friends, you can check time will show 4, not 4 5 p.m. Again friends, I will select date and time. So friends, select your phone date and time. 5 p.m. I will select. So friends, you can check time will show 5 p.m. and date will show. First guys, we will select date 14 April 5th, no 14 April, okay option. And friends, you can check date will show 14 April Friday, time will show 5 p.m. And friends, if you on mobile use 24-hour format, so when time will not show 5 p.m., time will show 17. On after on friends, you can check time will show 17. So it's after 12 o'clock, time will not show 1 p.m., time will show 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. If you on, use 24-hour format. And guys, if you off, so when time will show 5 p.m. So friends, you can use your 24-hour format setting in your Lava mobile. And friends, time zone, you want to select time zone, you can select. And guys, your set time zone automatic setting is on. So friends, you cannot select time zone. First of all, off set time zone automatic setting, and you can select time zone in your Lava mobile. And friends, if you on set time automatic setting, so friends, date and time will set correct time and correct date. Thursday 13 April 12 p.m. So like that friends, you can use Lava mobile date and time full setting. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to set up, how to change phone date and time in Lava mobile. Bye friends.